In this lesson, we will explore the world of linear equations and understand how to solve them. We'll start by defining what a linear equation is and how it can be represented graphically. Let's begin by understanding the basics of linear equations. A linear equation is defined as an equation where the highest power of the variable, usually x, is 1. For example, the equation 2x plus 3 equals 5 is a linear equation because the highest power of x is 1. Here's a graphical representation of a linear equation. The line represents all the solutions to the equation. Now, let's learn how to solve linear equations. The goal is to get the variable, usually x, by itself on one side of the equation. Let's solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 5 for x. First, we subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x equals 5 to 3. This simplifies to 2x equals 2. Then, we divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. So x equals 1. Now, let's verify our solution by plugging x equals 1 back into the original equation. Linear equations can also be represented graphically. Here's the graph of the equation y equals 2x plus 3. The line represents all the solutions to the equation. In conclusion, linear equations are a fundamental concept in mathematics and are used to model a wide range of real-world situations. We've learned how to solve linear equations using algebraic methods and how to represent them graphically. By understanding linear equations, we can better analyze and solve problems in various fields such as physics, engineering, and economics.